Hello friends, this is a short video on exporting the construction data of a 3-unit bridge. First you have to save your file in a new folder. Just name it for easy identification and save it. Now click on the part you want to export, so name it accordingly. So this is crown and bridge. Now click the button prepare for export. Then you can see here the name has changed to prepare for export. After that you need to rotate the fitting surface. Then click the export STL and construction data button, and that's it. It has been saved. Now go to your I-bar, select part type. So now I'm selecting a subabutment bridge. You can see the name changed. OK. Prepare to export. Just rotate the direction. Now you can see the fitting surface has been rotated. You can see the screw holes automatically identified. Click export STL and construction data. Now we will check the folder for the correct files. So I have saved in the new folder, so you can see the data, construction data for the hybrid shell. Yeah. The next one is for the I-bar. Okay, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.